Hello everyone, you got the Bub031 here again, and I'm going to be doing another mail call. What I have here I ordered back at the beginning of March, but I got it shipped out last week. Some of it is for me, but there's another kit, something in here that a friend of mine, GoViaorgohome, requested me to get for him. So, this came from my favorite hobby shop out west. And we're going to open this up to see what's inside. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now that the intro's done, let's open this up. I know it says Rapido Trains Inc., but it's just a box. Just for shipping, that's all. Everyone uses a box, any box for shipping. There is Fragile with it. So we're just going to open this up. Man, there's a lot of tape on this. A lot of tape. Okay. Man, they do like to make sure that you gotta get everything loose to get it open. There we go. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna move this over for a second. Open this up. Okay, so I got the bill that came in with it as well. There we go. And as you can see, so there's the bill, as you can see, right there. And now I'm going to show you what's inside. Okay, so there's a couple of pieces here that I picked up. These are for me, from Walther's Cornerstone. So we got cage ladders and safety cages. We got the modern fire escape. And we got platforms and stairways. Photo etch. So that's going to be fun. Now, well, I got this big kit right here. This is not for me. This one is actually for GVO, Go Via or Go Home. And this is the wet dry bins. The kit comes with 2, and it's going to help him out with his ethanol series. So, that's going to be everyone. I hope you enjoyed this mail call. There are going to be more videos to come in the future. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure the signal's green and keep moving down the line.